Hey everyone, this is Saurav and today we are going to unbox a wild gaming mouse from Amazon. This is Zebronics gaming mouse, as you can see here. Uh, Talking about this mouse, I gave it a try and it felt awesome. As you can see the structure, it's pretty much big compared to other mouses that I used before. This is a optical gaming mouse and it has a gold plated USB cable. As you can see here, this USB port is too big, as you can see here. Okay, fine. So I will first show you this box from which it came out. So this is a Zeb Transformer M premium gaming mouse. These are some of the specs that import model, country, origin, and here is the package container, 1 unit, whatever is written. It's a gold plated mouse, as I showed you. So it has a DPI up to 6400 and it is a bathing LED. It's an RGB mouse, so it has a braided cable. As you can see, it's kind of wire like thread like wire it is having. So it has 6 buttons, which is very great for gaming, and it has high resolution sensor and DPI switch. DPI switch is a button which is used to switch the DPIs from the whatever the options are given, the DPI options. So this is the manual I got inside this box. So here there are some of the informations. It's a wired gaming mouse. It breeds 7 colors, and it's high quality button, high precision, and dedicated button for DPI forward and backward. It's a gold plated USB, as I showed you. And talking about the specifications, it's a USB mouse and it has 6 buttons, as I said earlier. Since it is optical, the power consumption is 5 volt and button life is 2.5 million times. Cable length is 1.8 meters, and talking about its weight, it's 130 gram. And here as you can see in the manual, it is showing how clicking this button it will switch between these DPIs. Okay, now bringing this beast here, let me connect it to my laptop. See how it is opening. 1 second. Okay, fine, I will let you see it again. It is blinking when I starts blinking at first when I connect it, as you can see here. After blinking it will start red. Okay, fine, let me switch off the lights. Yeah, it just gives me chills by looking at it. It's kind of amazing to just hold it. It is pretty big as compared to the other mouses I used before. This wheel is I guess it is a silicon rubber, it is attached to it. And here are 2 buttons here. These are 2 buttons, very good for gaming. And this is the DPI switch. I guess at current state it is 1000 DPI, and by clicking it will increase. So DPI is what it is the sensitivity of the mouse. It increases the sensitivity. So this is how the mouse is looking, as you can see here. Okay, fine, let me switch on the light. Yeah, so wait a second, where is the bill? Yeah, so here is the bill. I got it from Amazon. So here, as you can see, it was I had to pay $399 here. It may not be visible clearly, but it is $399, and delivery charges were 40 rupees. So that's pretty much all about this mouse. And I would like to say that it's pretty amazing, and I would like to say that at least would give it a try. Many of you might not have ever used a gaming mouse. Actually, I bought it from the Great India Sale because it was pretty cheap. Actually, I was just waiting for what I will not tell you which mouse it was, but it was costlier than 1000. But I just found it that I saw those features and I thought that let's give it a try at least once because it's pretty cheap, and I just wanted to give it a try. And guess what? It passed that test. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you liked it. Please support me by hitting like, share and subscribe, and I will see you next time with a new amazing video. Thank you and have a nice day.